Hello and welcome to my 100th video. Yeah, this is number 100. I'm actually surprised that I last so long. But as I mentioned in the last video, if you have seen that, I said that I have made a little surprise, or what you call it. I've made something special for my 100 video. So I started to think, what am I going to be focused on next time? And I was thinking physics. And then I thought I always dreamed of making ragdolls. But that's not what I made. That's what I'm trying to make. But I started to make some more physics stuff, and I can just show it. It's cloth. We have some cloth right here, and we can drag it, and we can destroy it, and we can also just turn it. Oops, that is the reset button. We can also turn it on, so it kinda looks like it too. And if you can see at the top, there's four points that holds the cloth up, and if you just move it over, it'll drag it in front, and you can see kinda gives the 3D illusion even though it's still 2D. And as I said, we can drag it and release it, and we can also destroy it if we want to. Now stop jumping around. We can destroy it like that, and we can destroy it even more, and we can get it to hang down, and oh shit, and we can just clip it totally off and say goodbye to it. And we can press the not enter, backspace button, and it'll just reset. And we can also pause it by pressing the space, because why not? The reason for that was, if I just release it like that and I want to remove a point, I just pause it and then remove it and unpause it. But yeah, you'll get. I'm just having fun. But yeah, I just made this for the not just for the 100 video occasion, but I made this cloth for the 100 video occasion. I'm trying to make ragdolls as that, because me and my friend that I'm making the Die to Win game with, we thought, why not try to make a physics playground with ragdolls and all weird kind of shapes that you can throw around, and everything collides perfectly. So that's what we are trying to make. But yeah, let's go on. My friend, he made a game which he calls a water drop game. It's about where you start as a little blue water drop, and you move it around. Then from above, a small or in random sized water drops are falling down. You need to catch all the water drops smaller than you, and then you'll grow. And then you'll just keep growing until you reach a maximum size, and you'll get to the next level. And then when you raise in level, speed are going to increase, and the chances of the ones that's smaller than yourself isn't so big. And when you get in a high enough level, there'll also be kind of bugs coming from the bottom that you need to avoid too. And then I thought, because his water drop don't have a real bouncing effect, and he just gave me the idea today because I just sat and watched him play. So I thought, why not try to make that kind of physics behavior about a bouncing circle. So I just started to make I started with making two circles. One, the real bouncing circle, and the other one, the kind of circle that it tries to match up to. So if you just radically move it and make it bigger, then it's just going to bounce elastically off, and until it kind of releases and fits it. Yeah. However you're going to explain it. But you can see this blue circle here. If I just move around, it bounces, and yeah, and just keep bouncing smaller and smaller and until it stops fitting. And of course you can change the spring effect, and you can change the value to a lower value, which it then will I can say it'll just move faster. If the value, for instance, is 1000, then it'll just bounce a lot more. I'm starting to think what to say. So the higher the value is, the more it's going to bounce. The looser the string is, if you can say it like that. No, you can't. Okay, I'm just messed up right now. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm going to bed after I've recorded this video. And if you're saying, why are you going to bed now? Then we probably don't live in the same country. But okay, I have another thing to show, but it's not a program. It's my logo, or in this case, my background. I just thought, why not upgrade it? And I was having Portal in my mind because it's one of my favorite games. And then I just opened Paint and started drawing until I got this. And it's got a real Portal style to it, with the tiles, and I really like it, and my friends also like it. I just draw the kind of white tiles first, and then I change them as the blue tiles around, and then I said, hey, why not just write letters inside the blue tiles? And then I did it, and I love it. So yeah, and I also made another one. This was actually the first one I made, and then I just changed it to this one because I think it looks better. Yeah, some news about my website or what is going to happen. I know I've not made a lot if you've been on it since the last news. It's probably a month ago, and I know that, and it's because I'm really busy with school and just trying to make Die to Win, and that happens so that I don't have time after that to make anything on it. So, but I'll just show what we are going to, or what I'm going to, because I'm the programmer of my site. My friend only programs in Java, so yeah. Um, I'm going to, well, oh, okay. I'm going to change this news tab to a kind of block, which is the kind of the same block news. Yeah, it's kind of the same, where update news will pop in, telling about everything that we are making and posting. And then our projects, this list has already been expanded a lot with projects, and that's when it's also going to be in there. And then in the tutorials, I think I'm going to remove it right now because I don't know what I'm going to put in it, because if I'm just going to link to all my videos, that'll be kind of stupid. But yeah, if you got any ideas, then tell them to me. In the questions, I think what I was going to make here was that you can press and write your question and then write some more info about it. If you have some code, source code or something like that, you can put that to a website, and then you can press submit question, and then I'll write a response to it if you got some complex question like how to program something. And then there'll also be a button to say anonymous, so, or not anonymous, but that people can't read it. But yeah, why shouldn't they? But yeah, if it's a school project or something like that and you don't want someone to copy it, then it could be kinda good that it's not shown in public, but you get my idea. In the articles, I don't know what's going to be in here too. I think I'll make another one called games or something like that. Well, first of all, add Die to Win, or what I'm going to call the tab, I don't know, because projects, well, that's kind of everything that I make. Even Garry's Mod here, that's a project, and the add-ons that I made, but I want a tab where I only add some of my gaming projects. And then of course the guest book is going to stay the same as it is, and currently I removed that you can't leave a comment if you're not logged in. If it's a long time since you've been on the site, then I can tell that I've made the login system, and if you wasn't logged in, then you just need to write a name and post. But my site here was attacked by a spamming bot, and it spammed a lot of weird news. Not regular news, but kind of weird news, and with some nasty links at the bottom. And I got a new comment every 5 minutes. and you can just say in one day. That's a lot. So I just removed that feature so that the uh, bot couldn't do it. And yes, I know how to solve that problem with the bot. So you still can write comments without logging in, but yeah, I didn't have the time to do it. It was much easier just to remove some of the code and write this instead. But if it's a long time since you've been on my site, if you even have, then of course you can sign up, and it takes you through, and it says that you need to fill out these 4 tabs here, and if something is green, if I'm just going to write something, it gets a red or a green border around it. It writes here that if it's red, something's wrong. If it's green, it's okay. But if this name up here is green, it probably still it's not 100% that it's working, because it don't check for names. And then when you click the create button, you need to go into your email account and click the confirm link within 48 hours, or your account will get deleted and you need to go in here and create it from scratch again, and then you have a new 48 hours. But else you could just click the login and log in, and then I'll say welcome whatever user, and then I've added, so at the top it says who's logged in, and then you can press the profile button. And if I press the profile button, it's going to say Valentine Source, of course, at the top, and at the email, it's going to say my email, and my member level is kinda the rank on the site, so I'm the creator, and then there could be admins and moderators, and then regular members, and then it says when I've created this account and when I was last online. In the guest book, you can also click the names of the people logged in, so that you'll kind of go into their channel and it'll say blah 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 and stuff like that. Oh yeah, and this is one of my friends. He said to me, well, I want my member level to be Valentine's Sex Machine. I don't know why, but I just changed it. Why not? But I'm just going to pick a random number. It will just say member. There's something more. Yeah, and I don't know when this will come, but I'll make a chat box at this site here, where when I'm online, it'll say it in the top somewhere for everyone else that I'm online, so you can click on me and live chatting with me if you want to, if you have some questions or just want to chat. Then you can do that. So when I'm logged on to my profile here, it's going to say at the top to everybody that I'm online. So yeah, some of the stuff that I'm going to be making. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't have anything more. I think so. Just thinking. No, I don't. So I really appreciate if you rate this video and comment if there's something to comment on. You can also give me some ideas if you have some ideas for gaming projects or Java projects, programs, my website, anything. You can always comment and give me ideas, and I mostly all the time just I always give the credits to the people that gave me the idea. So yeah, if you want to support me or us, depending on what I'm making, um, then feel free to do it. I'll be happy to get some support. But anyways, until next time, see ya later.